what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video is an unboxing video and it's a little different than something I've done in years. The last time I got sent something like this was literally 2018, 2019 maybe. And then this is like a real official, it's a real brand. The last time I got sent something like this, it was from a very small black owned brand. This brand right here that I'm showing y'all today is like, I can't think of the word. It's like, it's on its feet. Like it's a real situation. Like I had to sign a contract. But this is the package. And I'm just gonna pull it on out. Kinkistry sent me some hair. And I have not co-washed any of the hair. What I'm about to show you is exactly how it was sent to me. So this is the bag. It's very pretty. And the little tassels that come on the bag. I like this bag because it's gonna keep the hair nice and safe, you know, once I actually use it. But inside the bag, I have this little product they sent me and the hair. So I'm gonna show y'all like a good view of the bag. And then this is the hair. So they sent me Kinkistry KurlNexis 12-inch clip-in bundles from the look of it. I'm just gonna go ahead. It's two of them, so 12 inches. My hair is getting kind of long, so I don't know. I mean, maybe after it's washed, it'll have a little bit of, I don't know. And it's not black exactly like my hair is, so I don't know about that. But I'm gonna try to use this, y'all. This is the hair. And my hair is a little tighter than this. And it's darker. And they send me like clip-ins. It's still, well, you know what? This is an unboxing. I may as well open it. I haven't opened it at all since I got it. I've just been looking at it. Let's look at this here, y'all. Yeah. Okay. So I couldn't do a ponytail with this even if I wanted to. That was my original plan, was to do a ponytail.
Okay. All right. Well, I guess so. All right. So
I got a 2-clipper one. I mean, it's a little short, but I don't know. We'll see. But that's how that looks. And then this is a 4-clip. This would be perfect for like the back of my head. Yeah, I think this is a little short for my hair. I don't know. I know I keep saying that, but I really don't know. This is 3 clips. This is not its natural curl. This is just straight like from the factory, I guess, or wherever the heck. This is another 2-clip. And then this is the longest one, 5 clip. Okay. This is my first time opening up and really looking at it. So that's that, okay. And I will co-wash these. When y'all see it again on my channel, they'll be co-washed. This is the other little package. I'm not going to use all this here, y'all. But this is the other one. I wish one of them didn't have clips and it was like a straight like bundle without the clips on it. But it's very convenient. The last time I got hair, I had to like cut the hair myself, sew my own clips on to make them into clip-ins. I'll actually link all of my like videos using those bundles of hair down below if y'all are interested. But yeah, that's that. And then in this long bag, I got this HydraLuxe Moisturizing Enhancer Gel for kinky, curly hair extensions and naturally curly hair. So I'm thinking to, depending on the texture of this hair after I wash it, I'm either going to do a wash and go or a twist out. If it closely matches my hair, I do a wash and go. But if it doesn't, I'll be doing a twist out. This is not my exact hair color. If you can tell, this is way more brown than my hair is. That's my only like concern. I'm finna turn on my fan, y'all. It's really freaking hot. I'm finna pass out. Thank you, Kinkistry, for sending me this. I can't wait to use these. Like I said, depending on how it looks in its most natural co-washed state will determine whether I do a twist out or not. If I do a twist out, then I'll just like you know, I do a twist out with this in my hair. So again, thank you. And then going back to this HydraLuxe, this is what it looks like. I'm going to try to, I'm gonna do like the patch mixing test on my hand, because I want to use like a light conditioner with this. But it smells really good, and the consistency feels like it'll really smooth my hair and the extensions. So hopefully this works well with whatever decides to pair with it. But yeah, thank you so much to Kinkistry for sending me the bundles of hair, especially with the clip-ins. That is so freaking convenient. Thank you so much. Also, thank you for this. Can't wait to use that. Yeah, I like the experience that I've had so far. I was supposed to have the hair installed and, you know, doing something with it like a week ago, but due to like life, y'all, my mom was graduating from nursing school. She done had penance ceremonies. I got family coming into town that I don't even want, I ain't gonna lie, I don't want to see, and the mental instabilities to come with that. And yeah, so thank you so much, Kinkistry, for, you know, being a little lenient with your girl, understanding that life happens. But yeah, I can't wait to try this. So if you all would like to know more about Kinkistry, be sure to check out their Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I will put their website, which is kinkistry.com, and Instagram info. Well, their ad on everything is at Kinkistry, but I'll like specifically link. I'll link some of this down below. I don't know. But that's it for this video. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know down below, do y'all think this is way too light to try to blend into my hair? Do y'all think y'all look right? Comment down below. Let me know that. See you in my next one. Bye.